さくてもいつか大きく響かせるため転んで傷つきまた起き上がれば新しい景色が広がるからスーパーマンになる方法なんて知らないだけどイメージだけはずっと完璧さレディゴー走り続けてレディゴーこのまま行けばきっとたどり着けそうじゃ夢のかけらつかみ損ねたってがむしゃらにかき合ってって雨の朝も風も夜も越えてゆくのさもっともっと遠くへ
Hey guys, Video Game Brawlers here, PSA here today. I'm gonna boxing up Bakutorch Carabiner. It's Ventus Skyress. That's Shun's Kazami's one. I just bought from Gumtree in 16 of May 2016 for my birthday. In 15 of May 2016. This is my birthday. It's cool. Okay, let's go open up. It's inside here. Here's this, sir. Keychain. This is carabiner. Clips here. This green light. And just push this button. Alright, Ventus Skyress. Bakutorch Carabiner. Let's try it. Push the button. Wow. This is green lights here. There's 2 wings, 2 legs. X. Horns, head, yellow eyes, red horns here. And there is no G power. Nothing here. This is Shun's Kazami's one here. The keychain put inside. Keys. And the bags too. That's cool. Keychains, cool. Carabiners, fantastic. Ventus Skyress, oh, that's cool. So this is a Ventus Skyress from Bakugan Battle Brawlers. It's fantastic, cool. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Click to watch the Video Game Brawlers unboxing Bakugan 2. And Bakugan videos too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click it to the bell. Click it to the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok here. Alright guys, thanks for watching guys, everybody. See you next time, everybody. Bye. And Bakugan Brawl.